Hello, this is Dr. Myra from Manual Physical Therapy. Today I wanted to talk about how to correctly sit, especially if you're going to sit for a long time, or maybe you have a job that requires you to be seated for the majority of the day. The biggest muscles that tend to get tight are your hip flexors, which are right here with prolonged sitting, right? Because they're in a shortened position for a long time. So a lot of times you might be moving every other minute because you start getting uncomfortable. Your back gets tired, and you probably end up having this forward posture, right? A lot of people are very cautious and try to not go into that bad posture. I'm going to show you a trick which that will make it a little bit easier. So if I have to be on the computer for 2-3 hours at a time. If I sit with my feet right flat on the floor like this, or if I start crossing them like so, very quickly I'm going to find myself in this forward posture because my back muscles are going to fatigue. Now, what you want to do is be in a better position biomechanically. So you actually want to sit with your legs as far as you can. This is where we tell the ladies to forget about being feminine, right? Because it's all about the mechanics of your body. Now, granted, just the space that you may have. Some people may be limited to the space they have, but what that does, it allows you to be upright without your muscles having to overwork. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see better. So pay attention to my low back right here. So if I'm here sitting just normally versus if I open my legs as far as I can, you see then there's a natural curve and my body automatically goes upright. My muscles don't have to work. Just because this allows the pelvis to go into a forward position, automatically you stand upright. So those muscles are not going to fatigue. And you can be here for 2, 3, 4 hours without having the need to go forward posture. It's all about the position of your legs. So just to recap, try to open your legs as far out as possible, and then automatically you'll feel your upper body just go up upright, so your muscles won't fatigue. And of course, the other ergonomic positions. You want to try to keep your eyes level to the screen, your elbows fairly level to the desk. You don't want to be up here either. But most importantly, I wanted to go over the seated position so you won't end up with that forward posture or with low back stiffness and pain, because the psoas muscle is the main hip flexor, but it also attaches to all of your lumbar vertebrae, which that's why you may end up with a stiff or painful back after sitting for a long time. I hope that helps. Thank you.